A jury is seated in the trial of Darius Sullivan in a Kankakee County courtroom. Darius Sullivan is accused in the murder of Bradley Police Sergeant Marlene Ritmanick and the attempted murder of Ritmanick's partner, Tyler Bailey, on December 29, 2021, when they responded to a call of barking dogs left in a car on a cold night outside of a hotel. Once there, they discovered Sullivan, who was staying at the hotel, had a warrant for his arrest. In opening statements, the Kankakee State's attorney told jurors they would see video from police body cameras and hear Ritmanick's final words.
Please don't, just go, please just go. She has her hands up in front of her face while she is pleading for her life. And this defendant looks down at her, aims her gun at her, and pulls the trigger 2 times.
Sullivan's defense attorney told jurors the videos don't tell the whole story and that Sullivan was defending his family that night.
He thought someone was breaking into his room, not the police. Ladies and gentlemen, he acted based upon the circumstances as he believed them to be, from what he knew and what he saw. He was protecting his family from people pushing their way into the room, plain and simple.
Jurors heard from Ritmanick's sister, who tearfully identified her sister and testified she saw her 2 days before Christmas that year and that Ritmanick was a sergeant with the Bradley Police Department.
She's my sister.
A hotel front desk worker testified that a colleague called 911 about dogs left in a car. And after 2 officers arrived hearing shots, she called 911. Then the staff went into lockdown.
I was able to see some movement in the hallway, and then eventually I was able to see a male come down the hallway that was not an officer.
Jurors saw video from the hotel hallway, which shows some confrontation, then someone on the ground and someone running. Several officers testified about arriving to the scene and taking Ritmanick and Bailey to area hospitals. At some point, Ritmanick's partner is expected to testify. This trial is scheduled to last 2 weeks.